there, everybody, and welcome back to the InvestTalk YouTube Market Wrap-Up. I'm Lou Guerrero, and today is Wednesday, April 9th, 2025. Talk a little bit about the market today. U.S. stocks ripped on the announcement that the Trump administration was going to put a 90-day pause on tariffs, excluding the tariffs that were put on China. The tariff on China raised now to, I think, 125%, though. At 104, 125, not much of a big difference there. S&P 500 broke its 4 straight days of declines, posting its best session since October of 2008. The Nasdaq posted its second best session on record. Mag 7 leading the way upward with Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, the big outperformers on the day. Airlines, cruise lines, apparel, autos, credit cards, copper, all up on the day as well. Not a lot of red, but relative underperformers included pharma, telecom, tobacco, and dollar stores. Treasuries under a bit of pressure overnight, though settling down a little bit today compared to where they were trading in the APAC session last night. Gold finished up 3%. Crude oil settled up 4.7%. Copper up 7%. So as I mentioned, the huge bounce came on the wake of the news that the administration was pausing tariffs on countries that did not retaliate. I haven't yet seen any clarity on if that includes Europe, given there was some retaliation from Europe today. But from a first pass, it seems like the tariffs are just immediately in place on China. Yet, there's still some skepticism here. A 90-day pause doesn't mean we are done with this, right? I said it the other day. You got to be short-term bullish, medium-term bearish, long run always bullish because markets tend to rise in the long term. And so this is what we were talking about when we talked about those oversold conditions, the market really wanting any semblance of relief and took it in a big way. And you look at this and you say, okay, S&P's up 9.52% today. One of the largest moves, the largest move actually since October of 2008. But traditionally, these moves are not really healthy for markets, right? What happened after October 2008? Well, a trickle down to a bottom in February of 2009. And so you got to be careful here, right? The risk is still out there. It's just moved into a 90-day window. On the macro front, February wholesale inventories were up 30 basis points month over month. It's really the only macro data we got today. We did get some Fed speak, though. Kashkari wrote that tariffs have raised the bar for what they need to see in order to cut going forward. Now to St. Louis, Muslim said he expects growth materially below its 2% trend. We talked on the show about what Treasury yields mean for markets yesterday, and good news out of the $39 billion 10-year note auction, a lot of foreign interest, certainly some sweet relief after a scary night session last night. Thanks for joining us. Can't wait to see you back here tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on.